Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your always luxurious 2018 Toyota Sequoia Platinum. It's a 4-door, 7-passenger, 4x4 SUV in a head-turning midnight black color. Under the hood, you'll find a 5.7-liter V8 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 20-inch wheels. Some stunning features built into your Sequoia include your navigation system as well as your power liftgate with power fold third row seating, your DVD Blu-ray player for your rear passengers, and of course your Toyota Safety Sense and your Star Safety System to have you riding nice and comfortably. Helping you into your Sequoia is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your power liftgate and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that chrome detailing on your handles for that extra class. Opening it up now, you do have your illuminated entry with that running board that stretches all the way across to your passenger side so everybody can get in and out nice and easy. You do have some storage on the side of your door. We have that gray with that black two-tone as well as that stunning brown trim with your power windows and your power locks. You can also set 2 different driver positions in case you have multiple drivers in your family. On the side here, you have your power adjustable side mirrors as well as your power folding in case you need to get into tight spots. You do have your automatic high beams as well as your power lift gate. From there, you have your power adjustable steering wheel. Your Sequoia also comes with a full set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean. Now, your driver's side and your passenger side are both power adjustable to make sure you are in the optimal position while driving. And taking a look at that stunning gray leather all throughout your Sequoia with that perforated center detailing to add that extra class. There in the back there you see your DVD player, your Blu-ray system, as well as letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will be nice to have open with that rear side slide window, letting in all that fresh air. But why don't we hop in and start it up? Starting up your Sequoia, simply put your foot on the brake and your key into the ignition there. That steering wheel is automatically going to adjust to the position. Your dashboard's going to light up with that cool ambient lighting. You also do have your multi-information display, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. Right now it's open to your Toyota Safety Sense features, so you can set for your lane departure alert the sensitivity, turn on and off the warning. Going back now, let's see, you have your pre-collision system, which you can turn on and off, setting that sensitivity as well. You also do have your blind side monitor and your rear cross traffic alert. Taking a look at your steering wheel, we have that brown trim coming again as that motif throughout your Sequoia. Taking a look at your other steering wheel mounted controls, you do have your hands-free calling, your volume control, your intuitive voice command, as well as your mode changers. You do have your dynamic radar cruise control, which you can set your cruise control distance and speed from below there. Some other safety features include your parking sensor, which you have your clearance sensors and your rear parking sensors on the back to help you in and out of those city parking lots. You do have your traction control as well as your power slide rear window. With your Sequoia, it is a definite plus to have your 4x4 option. Below here you have all your trailer equipment as well as your drive modes. Here you can adjust the rear height for when you're towing or loading up the back. Taking a look at your LCD screen now, you do have your CD player on top. With your audio you have your AM FM radio as well as your Sirius XM radio. You do have your auxiliary USB import, and with your Bluetooth hands-free calling, you have your Bluetooth audio. Here you can control the rear screen as well, so when you pop in that Blu-ray DVD for your passengers, you can make sure that everything is all set and ready to go. Now below here you have your tri-zone climate control, so you can set a different temperature for your driver and your passenger, as well as that rear temperature can be controlled from below here. You do have your heated seats for both your drivers and your passenger, plus with that perforated leather you get that ventilated seating, which will definitely be something that you won't want to give up once you try it out. You have your USB auxiliary inputs right here. You have two 12-volt DC chargers to make sure that everybody gets to charge their media. We have that chrome detailing on your cup holders, as well as some removable storage options. You do have your brown trim again on that shift knob. And going into reverse now, taking a look, your backup camera pops up here. You also do have your park assist that pops up on your dashboard, and you have your memory set on for your side mirrors, so plenty of things happening. Taking a look at your center console now, we do have removable pieces which you can take out and you can hang your file folders in case you're using your Sequoia for work. You have plenty of space to store everything that you need below, as well as another 12-volt DC charger. You do have your tiny little pockets on top of there for all of your specific needs. Again, plenty of space. Closing that up now. Now you do have a dual glove box, so you have that top one for anything you want to keep handy, and you have your locked glove box for all the manuals so that you know everything there is to know about your Sequoia. There's a handy light in there, plus that lock to keep everything nice and safe. Here we're seeing one last look at all the functional features built into your Sequoia. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Sequoia. To activate that power lift gate, simply hold that button on your fob. It'll warn you that it's coming up. It's a great feature to have, especially when you have your hands full. Right now we have that third row seating installed for you to take a look at. It is power folding, so by simply holding that button there, it will fold down. So let's take a look. Holding that button there, it will automatically fold down for you, so you don't have to use any lever systems. Check out all that space that's opened up for you in the back of your Sequoia to carry everything that your family needs. You also do have some convertible storage below here, which acts as a nice area for any smaller items so they don't have to be rolling around. And you do also have your jack and your tools underneath here in case anything does happen on the side of the road. Closing that up now. Now you do have your folding seats in the rear as well, which opens up that much more space for you in case you need to carry any larger items. And then reactivating that power lift gate, you simply hold that button there, you step aside, it'll warn you that it's coming down. Taking a look at the exterior features now, that rear window does slide all the way down so you can let in all that fresh air during those long summer drives. You have that rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy. Underneath here, you do have your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. You have that handy skid plate as well as your sonar parking sensors as part of your park assist, which you do have your clearance sensors on your front bumper as well. You have your trailer equipment to keep your Sequoia nice and versatile for you, and your spare tire storage underneath. We'll back up to take one more look at the back of your Sequoia. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Sequoia Platinum. With its powerful towing capacity of 7,000 pounds and your built-in trailer and tow options, you can finally take on everything that Alberta has to offer. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive, see how it fits into your lifestyle. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.